Good morning, my name is Matt, you're back with Detailing World, and today we're going to be messing around with coloured snow foams. So yeah, it's that time of year, it's nearly Christmas, so I decided what else to do but mess around with these. So yeah, there's some coloured snow foams I've had for a few years now. I've never really used them because I don't see much point in them apart from attention. The red one that I've got dyed the stones on my parents' drive when I lived at home. That's how long I've had these. The blue one was just a very, well, watered down blue. And the yellow, I don't know if I've ever used it on its own. I may have, but I know I've mixed it with blue to make green once. But yeah, I'm going to spray all three of these today, just there. All on car and just, yeah, enjoy, that's it.
get scratching.
Everything that happens now is happening now.
What happened to then?
Past that.
When?
Just now. We're at now.
Go back to then.
When?
Now.
Now?
Now.
I can't.
Why?
We missed it.
When?
Just now.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Just a bit of fun on a Sunday afternoon before I start my next product review. Yeah, be sure to comment below if there's anything else you'd like me to try, just for a bit of fun. You know, that doesn't show, prove or mean anything, but why is it always got to be serious? So yeah, just comment below if there's any videos you'd like me to try and do. I'll do my best to see what I can do, or any serious comparisons you'd like me to test, whether it be waxes, window cleaners, shampoos, whatever. Let me know what you want to see on this channel. And as always, if you're not already, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. Click the like button if you've liked that video. If you've not liked it, then, well, you know what to do. Share this video with as many people as you can, all that jazz, you know. And yeah, be sure to stay tuned. We've got some more prizes coming up. We've got the Christmas giveaway still running, so if you've not entered that, then click up here now. We've got a 1,000 giveaway coming hopefully soon. We just need 1,000 subscribers, so you can get as many of your friends and family, colleagues, whoever, even people you don't like, ask them to subscribe. It really helps us out, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one.